अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। ले जी एक दफ़ा फिर ये देखें हमारे साथ दो बिल्कुल नौजवान बच्चे हैं जो नौजवान है जो आज की दौड़ में चेटी वाह में हिस्सा लेंगे। Wir haben zwei ganz junge Leute von hier, die werden heute mitmachen und eine spricht Englisch, eine spricht Deutsch. Ich frage einem nach dem anderen, wie sind sie aufmerksam geworden und was ist die Motivation? Okay, erst einmal stellen Sie sich vor.
Hi, ich bin Elias, ich komme aus Frankfurt und ich bin auf den Charity Walk aufmerksam geworden durch die Plakatierung. Und ich kannte auch die Gemeinde schon vorher, aber in Wiesbaden tatsächlich. Da wurde ich auch schon mal eingeladen und ja, man kann ja für einen guten Zweck mitlaufen.
Sehr schön. Und Sie machen, also das ist Ihre erste Gelegenheit mit Charity Walk?
Genau, das ist mein erster Charity Walk. Und
nächstes Jahr kommen Sie auch?
Ja,
würden Sie auch gerne einige Freunde einladen, die nächstes Jahr mitmachen? Sehr schön, danke schön. Okay, now we have another young man. It looks like Asian. So
yes, actually I'm from Japan.
Ah, from Japan.
Yes.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Thank you. Okay, now can you tell me, please, in Japan there are also some races for the humanity like this?
Yeah, actually, when I was in Tokyo,
yes.
I didn't know about this kind of event. But
yes.
The reason I decided to participate in this event is because, like, I just want to learn.
Okay.
With other people.
Yeah.
I just want to enjoy the communication with others or the atmosphere itself.
Very nice. Have you ever heard about Humanity First or the Charity Walk, or is it your first experience?
Yeah, this is completely my first experience.
Okay. And I think what I can see in both of you, one of these cups, you have already one hand on the cup.
No.
It's not like that, no? You are not very active. But we are young and I think you will be very quick. Have you been...
Unser Ziel ist heute einfach nur durchzukommen,
okay.
Einfach nur die 10 Kilometer zu schaffen und Spaß zu haben.
Okay, sehr schön. But you have been already running for long distance, also 10 kilometer, 5 kilometers?
Yeah, I sometimes learn like 5 or 10 kilometers, but I'm not sure I can be the winner.
But you will come next. You will come next year as well?
No, actually, I only have 2 months left.
Okay.
I'm going back to Japan, Tokyo.
So when you are in Tokyo, just check there. Humanity First. This in Japan is also this program from Humanity First. They are doing worldwide helping for the people. You can maybe what you say. You can remember there was a big earthquake in Japan, and Humanity First have been helping there. Maybe you can check in Google, because worldwide, anywhere, any problem, Humanity First is there. Maybe there is a star. Yeah, you can see. You can, when you need some information from, you will ask. We have been working there in Japan as well.
Oh, really?
When it happened, and in Germany we have been working. In last year there was a big water damage when you after raining, and we did there more than 1 month, and millions of people got food for free through Humanity First there. Okay, have a nice time. Until next year.